quick tip on how to draw a line with an angle in LibreCAD. If you don't know, LibreCAD is a free CAD software. To draw a straight line, 2 points line, click the left mouse button on this line icon and choose 2 points with the snap on grid option and snap on endpoint option. As you see, I'm drawing the basic lines and snapping on the grid, but I want to make a line at a specific angle. Click left mouse button here and select the angle option. It allows to specify the angle. The angle is counterclockwise, so if I put 0, the line goes to the right side. If I input 19 degrees, the line goes 19 degrees angle to the top. The angle spins around the red position point. That's it for this video. If you like to see more video about LibreCAD, please leave a comment below. See you soon.